NotebookLM's video overview will use images, diagrams, key numbers, and lines from your sources to create a video recap of the key points. If you're a visual person, this is a great learning tool for you. We'll create a new notebook, upload the PDFs from Alphabet's recent earnings release and slide decks. Click on open. Wait for those to upload. In the right panel here for Studio, click on video overview and it'll generate a video. It takes some time to generate the video depending on the size of your sources. This user noted that it took less than 20 minutes for a PDF of around 160 pages. The two PDFs here are 10 pages each. So the one with the slide deck includes tables, data visualizations, and charts, while this earnings release mainly includes a bunch of text and a bunch of tables for the financial statements. Without any customization, this is the initial video that NotebookLM produced for us. So you can change the playback speed here, rewind or fast forward the video. We're going to play this video and highlight different sections.
All right, let's dive into Alphabet's latest earnings, and wow, they were a blockbuster. Just look at that number, $96.4 billion. That's what Alphabet pulled in a single quarter. It's not just about the numbers. It signals real confidence in their whole strategy. So let's dig in. Where's all this money actually coming from? Okay, let's start with the absolute core. So no big surprise here. Google search is still the undisputed king. I mean, look at that, over $54 billion just from search. For Google Cloud, lightning fast growth and soaring profits. For investors, quarter alone. So where in the world is all that money going? Just real quick, what are capital expenditures? It's basically the money a company spends on physical stuff, the real nuts and bolts. Think building, tell us about where Alphabet's headed. It really boils down to a few key things. First, the overall business is just incredibly healthy, growing at 14%. Second, that core engine, search and YouTube, it's still a powerhouse. Third, Google.
So it pulls this revenue number, this huge revenue number from the last quarter's performance, as well as a quote from the CEO, pulls in data visualizations, and provides key takeaways for the video. In the top right corner of this panel, you can share the video or you can download it. If you go back to the main studio panel, these three dots allow you to rename the video, again, download it, share it, or delete it. We'll take a look at another notebook. This notebook uses a YouTube video as a source. You can actually watch it right here in this panel. And from this video, which is a pretty lengthy video, being 30 minutes long, as you can see right here, we created a couple of overview videos. The first video without any customization is 9 minutes long. I don't remember how long it took exactly. I want to say between 10 minutes and maybe 15 or 20, but it didn't take longer than 20 minutes. So it took
let's get right into it.
This
There's this powerful
30-minute video and cut it down to 9 minutes.
Let's get into the good stuff, some real-world examples. And we're going to start, and it saves them in a database like Airtable to analyze them and see if they're a good fit.
And then I created another video, but I asked it to shorten it to 5 minutes. And it did pretty well, 5 minutes and 5 seconds here. So it's able to distill all this content into a brief video overview.
A goal, a mission, and it figures out how to use its tools and data to actually get it done. And this is a really critical distinction.
You can customize the video overviews by clicking on the three dots in the video overview card and then selecting customize. You can specify topics to focus on, identify learning goals, describe the target audience, and more. There's also a comment on my video about obtaining transcripts for audio overviews, noting that the method I show also works for video overviews. So take a look at that if you want to see how to obtain the transcript in NotebookLM. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.